Root beer here again. Doing another Godzilla raids again. Godzilla Monsters raids again. Pack opening. Let's see what you got. What there is. What we got. Without breaking or damaging the cards. MB 92 modified. Ooh. Godzilla 1993. Godzilla vs. Space Godzilla. I like the battle cards. I think the battle cards and the rage cards are my favorite here. Little Godzilla. Gigon 2004. Space Godzilla looking like he's the boss. And Threat Plus. Am I wrong, or is this the poster for Invasion of the Astro Monster? I think it is, but I could be wrong. I could definitely be wrong. If I'm wrong, please correct me. And thanks for watching.